At siguro sir, samantali ko na yung pagkakataon kasi ang dami kumakalat. May narinig ako kanina sa DepEd, no, na yung school year ay magbubukas probably July, no? School year
Eh?
2025-2026 yata ang tinutukoy, no? Siguro dapat ma-clarify na rin, no? Kasi hindi lang 100 po na text messages, no, ang dumating po sa akin, no, na sinasabi na magsasara na raw ang school year ngayong Mayo, which is of course that is our proposal sa DepEd para bumalik tayo, no, doon sa old calendar po natin. Thank you sir, naisingit lang. Maraming salamat po.
Ito, marinig na natin ngayon kay Yusek Poa. Pero before I call on Yusek Poa, alam naman ni Benjo na yung tungkol sa GASPE, voucher system, we have a proposed bill already on that. First, not only expanding it to grades 1 to 6, pero gusto rin natin lagyan ng outcomes-based para masigurado, as you mentioned, yung quality of education. Ayaw natin naman ng fly-by-night talaga. Yusek Poa, with respect to the academic calendar, which probably will now be the focus of this of everyone's discussion. Yes, Yusek Poa.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. As regards the academic calendar, so alam naman nasabi na natin dati na pinag-aaralan, no? So we already got actually the results and mga simulations on how to go back doon sa April-May break po natin. But since we are crafting the policy, as the Honorable Castro mentioned earlier, importante ang consultation. So actually, we will be scheduling consultations this month na not only with learners and the members of the academy, but also with teachers, teachers associations, ang ating mga unions and parents, definitely parents, para makita po natin kasi marami pong apektado eh. In fact, not only the calendar, but even, for example, PVP, these things have to be discussed thoroughly. So we will definitely be inviting all teachers organizations, parents, associations, even private schools. No? We will be.
In other words, Yusek Poa, the DepEd now is open to a possibility of an academic calendar either shifting back to the old or being retained. Pero ang gusto lang ninyo to comply now with the consultations with all stakeholders.
Yes po,
That
para
is it.
ma-finalize po
Yes. And you
natin.
will begin already
Yes, sir.
because you already have something in mind.
Yes, Mr. Chair,
Okay.
we will begin this month. Actually,
Okay.
we are already talking to the private education office, for example, in our operations strand on how we can invite all these organizations.
So obviously there will be the direction will be towards
Yes
that.
po.
Yes, salamat. Benjo, narinig mo naman.